Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Quicken Home and Pieces. First, install the software and sign in with your account. Then link your financial accounts by going to the Accounts tab and clicking Add Accounts. Enter your bank details to download transactions. Next, organize your finances by categorizing transactions in the Transactions tab for personal finances and track business expenses and income in the Pieces section. To create invoices, go to Pieces and select Create Invoice to customize and send them. Set up bills and income reminders to stay on top of recurring payments and income. You can track these in Bills and Income section and set automatic payments where possible. Use reports in Report section to generate detailed income, expense, and tax reports. You can also track investments and sync your data across devices for easy access. With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage both your personal and business finances.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro Dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.